Welcome to your source for research, innovation, news, insights, and commentary. This is Research Business Daily Report, where we're sponsored today and this week by Research Now, with the industry's most comprehensive mobile research platform, ideally suited for both custom qualitative and quantitative research. Our mission here on RBDR is to find and report research items that you just don't see anywhere else. Well, about 4 weeks ago, maybe 300 Chicago attendees at the Market Research in the Mobile World conference heard what we're about to share with you today. But 300 leaves about 99.9% of the research community that did not hear what Yahoo Canada Head of Research Nick Drew and Fresh Intelligence Senior VP Josh Cormie had to say about the corrosive impact of personal high technology that we all rely on our devices, both on marketing and on our research. Their overriding point is that marketing and market research are based on communication and messaging that people can remember. But the great technologies that we're all relying on these days happens to be causing most of us to recall less. Those pieces of information that you decide to store on your cell phone, on a tablet, and a computer, in the end translate into less brain-stored memory. So marketing messages here and now need to be better, sharper, and more memorable than ever before. We summarize all the detail from this speech in the latest research conference report. Want to read it? Contact us at info@rflonline.com and we'll tell you how to become a subscriber. By the way, our newsletter subscriptions, they're what make RBDR possible every day. Next, experts know well that formulating a convincing brand message comes from tapping into individuals' desires for adventure, power, and/or status. It's a challenge, but it's accomplished every day by innumerable product managers. However, when it comes to sustainable messaging, you need to tap into other human emotions. That, according to David Hawksworth, co-founder and creative director for Given London, writing at Guardian.com. Effective neuroscience joined by Given London's proprietary brand substance wayfinder tool is demonstrating 12 brand strategies that can build on a core story that has legs. Also identified were 4 basic human drivers that tend to promote sustainability in your messaging: contentment, nurturance, seeking, and assertiveness. Next, forget about cookies. Reports researchers from Princeton University and KU Leuven University in Belgium. There's a new online tracker that we should all be aware of. It's now called Canvas Fingerprinting, and it actually instructs your web browser to draw a hidden image when they interact. Because each computer draws the image slightly differently, each image helps assign a unique number for your device. Like cookies, Canvas Fingerprints builds profiles of users based on their website visitations. Now, one of the threats posed by the Canvas Fingerprint is that it cannot be prevented by a web browser privacy setting or any available anti-tracking tool. But on the plus side, Canvas Fingerprints so far have only been spotted on about 5% of the top 100,000 websites. That's your Research Business Daily Report, sponsored by Research Now, with the industry's most comprehensive mobile research platform, ideally suited for both custom qualitative and quantitative research. Mobile is hot, and it is now. So if you'd like to find out how to make your survey mobile ready, we've got a way for you to do it. You can attend Research Now's complimentary webinar on Tuesday, August the 5th, and we've got a link to help you sign up for it. Have a great research day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.